Ndewo ndị be anyị. Welcome on today's lesson. My name is Udaume and you are on Igbo lesson for beginners. In our previous video, we talked about alphabets and letters you can form using the alphabets. But for the sake of today's lesson, we are going to identify Udaume from the alphabets. Udaume is called vowels in English. So today our lesson is centered on Udaume, which is vowels in English. So we are going to identify the Udaume. These are the Igbo alphabets. So we are going to recite the Igbo alphabet before we identify the vowels or Udaume from these alphabets. So let's recite the Igbo alphabet now. A, B, Sh, D, E, F, G, W, R, W, H, I, J, K, B, W, L, M, N, N, W, N, O, O, P, R, Z, Sh, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Now let's identify the vowels from these alphabets. Remember, the vowels in Igbo is called Udaume. Udaume in Igbo is 8 in numbers, and we are going to identify it from here. The Udaume in Igbo is of 2 forms, the udaaro and udamfe. Udaaro are the ones with dots under. You can see the ones that has dots under them. They are called udaaro. And udamfe is the ones that did not have dots under them. So we are going to identify the vowels. They are 8 in numbers. And these are the vowels. These are the Igbo vowels, the Udaume, as I said earlier. They are 8 in numbers. When you count them, they are 8 in numbers, the udaaro and udamfe. So we are going to write them out and form words from this Udaume. These are the Igbo vowels, the Udaume as we call it in Igbo language, and it's being written down. So we are going to pronounce the Igbo vowels, the Udaume, and also when you look down, you see the words we form using the letters. So let's proceed. A, E, I, O, U, the Igbo vowels. And the Igbo vowels, remember I said we have the long and the short sound. We call it in Igbo the udaaro and udamfe. The udaaro are the ones with dots under. The ones that has dots under them, in Igbo we call it udaaro. And the ones that did not have dots, we call it udamfe. In English, it's long and short sound. The long sound are the ones with dots under, while the short sound are the ones without dots. So, and here are the words you can form using the Udaume. A, apa. Remember we are talking about the Udaume, the word, the sound of this letter A. So A, apa. Bag. Apa is called bag in English. Aka, hand. Aka, hand. Remember we are talking about this sound A. Ago. Ago. Lion. You know about lion? Ago. A sound. Then ago. Ago here is hunger. If you are hungry and you want to eat, that one we call it in Igbo ago. So ago is hunger. So it's not the same thing with ago, which is lion. So we are talking about this sound, A sound. So we have apa, aka, ago, ago. These are the words we form using the letter A. Then we go over to the second one, E sound. Egbe, egbe, gun. Ego, money. Remember we are talking about E sound. Ego, money. Egu, dance. To dance, we call it egu in Igbo. Egwuregu. Egwuregu. Play. To play in Igbo, we call it egwuregu. We're talking about the E sound. The E sound here. Then we have I. Iwe. Anger. Iwe, we call it in Igbo, Iwe, anger in English. Igwe. Igwe, king. Isi, head. It can be a part of the body or a head in a sector. So we call it head, isi. Ike, power. Ike, power. It can be, remember we are talking about A sound, the short vowel, and the one long one, the A sound. A, the one that has dots. Isi, sorry, Isi. Isi in English is 6. Is a number. So in Igbo we call it Isi. 6 in English. We're talking about E sound. Ilu, proverb. Ilu, proverb. Egba, drum. E sound. That's what we are talking about here. Egba, drum. Ihu, face. Ihu, it can be O, olu, voice. Olu in Igbo is called voice in English. Ofe, soup. Oku, talk. Oku, talk. Okay, rat. Remember we are talking about the voice, the Udaume O. So the O is being marked. We have olu, voice. Ofe, soup. Oku, talk. Okay, rat. Then we have ọnwa, moon. Ọnwa, moon. Ọrụ, work. Ọrụ, the vowel sound. Ọba, barn, where we store yam or cocoyam in the village. Yam barn, that's what we're talking about here. In Igbo we call it Oba, Obaji, Obede. So we call it Oba, Ban, Osha, Osha, Fair, Osha, Fair. Then here we have Ule, Ule, exam, Ule, sound, exam, Ute, mat, Ute, mat, Ude, Ude, cream, Ude, cream, Uru, Uru, gain, to gain something. We call it Uru in Igbo. So Uru, gain. We are talking about the U sound here. One of the vowel sounds, U. Then we go back to the last one, U, O, Oza. The sound O, Oza. Oza is called road in English. Oza, road. Ototo, Ototo, morning. Ototo, morning. Ola, Ola, house. Ola, house. Ulako, Ulako, bank. Ulako, bank. So these are the Igbo vowels. Udaume Igbo. These are the Udaume Igbo. Nke a bụ Udaume Igbo. Ebe a ka anyị na-abịa n'isi njedebe n'ihe ọmụmụ anyị nke ụbọchị nke taa, Udaume. We come to the end of today's lesson on vowels. In our next video that is coming up, we will be talking about consonants. In Igbo we call it Mboshiume. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the red button to get the updates of the oncoming videos. And please like, share and comment to my YouTube channel. Igbo amananata, Igbo gaderele, Sobakwu Igbo.